reproduction in bacteria. So bacteria is commonly by a kind of cell division that is called binary fission. So binary fission is one of the asexual reproduction. In generally, bacteria reproduce by two types. One is asexual reproduction, second one is sexual reproduction. So asexual reproduction is commonly by a kind of cell division. This cell division is called binary fission. This cell division is called binary fission. What is the meaning of binary fission? What is the meaning of binary fission? So here in this process, the dividing bacterial cell produces two genetically identically daughter cells. That is called binary fission. So here this is a parental bacterial cell. This parental bacterial cell containing well-developed cell wall and well-developed plasma membrane and also well-developed one genetic material, that is DNA. Thereafter the plasma membrane is divided into the genetic material or DNA. Finally, after 20 minutes, the parental bacterial cell to be produced two genetically identical daughter cells. So these two daughter cells are similar. After generation, so those two daughter cells to be act of parental cell and can be reproduced four daughter cells. Four daughter cells. Then four daughter cells can be reproduced eight daughter cells. So up to number of daughter cells are produced every 20 minutes. Every 20 minutes. So in generally, a single parental bacterial cell is reproduced by two daughter cells in every 20 minutes. In every 20 minutes. That is asexual reproduction of binary fission. Next, coming to sexual reproduction. So here, true sexual reproduction is absent in bacteria. By means, true sexual organs are totally absent. That is, male cavity is absent and female cavity is absent. So, however, this genetic material or DNA transfer one bacteria to another bacteria. One bacteria to another bacteria. The exchange of genetic material are gene recombinations, which essences of sexual reproduction takes place by three ways. These three ways are: first one here conjugation, second one here transformation, third one here translation. So here, first of all, we will discuss conjugation. What is conjugation? Who discovered it? And in which organism? So here, conjugation means which two live bacteria come together and transfer directly donor DNA into the recipient bacteria cell. That is called conjugation. So in this process, first discovered by Lederberg and Tatum in the year 1946 in Escherichia coli. Next coming, what is transformation? Who discovered it and in which organism? So here, transformation means the uptake of DNA fragments from the surrounding environments, and that expression of genetic information in the recipient cell. That is called transformation. So in this process, first discovered by Frederick Griffith in 1928 in Streptococcus pneumoniae. In which organism are here? Streptococcus pneumoniae. Next, coming to what is translation? Who discovered it and in which organism? So here, translation means the genetic material from one bacteria to another bacteria through bacteriophage. That is called translation. So in this process, first discovered by Lederberg and Ginder. So in the year 1951, in Salmonella typing medium, These are three types of sexual reproductions. Next, we are going to the process of conjugation. We are going to the process of conjugation. So here, the process of conjugation to be act of two cells. To be act of two cells. So one bacterial cell is donor bacteria. Another bacterial cell is recipient bacteria. This is a donor bacteria. This is a recipient bacteria. So here the donor bacteria containing cell wall, cell membrane, and also well-developed plasmid, and also as well as genetic material. But the recipient bacteria only containing genophore, not containing plasmid. Okay, here this is a donor cell. And this one recipient cell, and this one recipient cell. Okay, now so conjugation process are here. So first of all, to be meaning of conjugation. In this process, which live two bacteria are come together and contact, then after transferring the direct donor DNA into the recipient cell, that is called conjugation. So here these two bacterial cells are here. First one here donor bacterial cell, second one here recipient bacterial cell. So here the donor bacterial cell designated F plus cell. The recipient bacterial cell designated F minus cell. Then after the donor bacterial cell containing well-developed plasmid, that is called F plus plasmid. The recipient cell not containing plasmid, that is lack of plasmid, that is known as F minus plasmid. Another important one here, the donor bacterial cell and the F plus plasmid cell are containing one sex pilus. This is a sex pilus. Or conjugation tube. That is sex pilus. Okay, here that is sex pilus. So what is the importance of sex pilus? So sex pilus is always from two bacteria is always contact, one to another contact with the help of sex pilus or conjugation tube. So here the donor cell only containing sex pilus or conjugation tube. Okay, here. So here once the conjugation tube is established, so in this time the sex pilus is shortness and bringing, then after come together closely and form of one bridge. And then after the plasmid of genetic material is again replicated. The replicated DNA to be directly transferred to the sex pilus or conjugation tube to the recipient cell. So here the donor bacterial cell of DNA directly transferred to the recipient bacterial cell. So finally, those two bacteria to be act of F plus cell and F plus cell. And F minus cell is converted to F plus cell. Why? Because the donor bacterial cell is transferred being of the plasmid into the recipient cell. So here conjugation is a very conservative process. Conjugation is a very conservative process. Why? Because that donor bacteria of genetic material to be copying then return of the recipient cell, Finally, both bacteria cells are F plus cells. Both bacteria cells are F plus cells. Why? Because the donor cell is also containing plasmid and the recipient cell is also containing plasmid. This is a conjugation. Okay, here. So here conjugation means which like two bacteria come together contact and directly transfer of DNA into the recipient cell. That is known as conjugation. This is a conjugation process. This conjugation process first of all discovered by Lederberg and Tatum in Escherichia coli bacteria. Both two are Escherichia coli bacteria cells. One Escherichia coli bacteria cell to be act of donor bacteria cell. Another Escherichia coli bacteria cell to be act of recipient cell. That is F plus cell or F plus plasmid. That is F minus cell or F minus plasmid. This is a conjugation process. Next one here, transformation. Transformation means this is a recipient cell. So this recipient cell is also containing of the plasmid. So this is a uptake of NACD genetic material availability from the surrounding environments. So here uptake of NACD genetic material availability from the surrounding environments. Then after to be receiving of the recipient cell of plasmid. So hence the recipient cell to be act of genetic information. That is known as transformation. By means uptake of NACD genetic material from the surrounding environment. After that expressed to the genetic characters to the recipient cell. That is known as transformation. So here by means this is a one of the donor cell of the bacterial genetic material availability from the surrounding environment. Then after the availability of NACD DNA fragments to be receiving of one recipient bacterial cell. This recipient bacterial cell of DNA is also to be expressed genetic information characters. That is called transformation. This is about the sexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. So both are present in bacteria, but asexual reproduction is commonly by a kind of cell division. That is called binary fission. And true sexual reproduction is absent in bacteria. However, the genetic material is exchanged. Which is exchange of the sexual reproduction takes place by conjugation process, transformation process, transduction process. So conjugation process discovered by Lederberg and Tatum, organism of Escherichia coli. Transformation discovered by Frederick and Griffith. So the organism